Presentation brought to you by StarWind Software. My name is Bob Boulay. I'm one of the senior solution engineers here with StarWind. And today we're going to be talking about high availability storage, specifically as it relates to the iSCSI realm here, and really sort of breaking the presentation up into a couple of different parts as I take you through the quick agenda here. So the first half of the presentation is going to be mainly PowerPoint driven. We're going to do a quick overview of SAN technology. We're going to talk a little bit about SAN versus direct attached storage, and talk about some of the benefits of SAN outside of some of the buzzwords that you hear out there in terms of being able to unlock high availability features within a resource cluster for your virtualization environment. Some of the fundamentals that are associated with sort of a more centralized management of your storage resources within your organization. For those of you that have heard me speak before, I can't get a presentation out without talking a little bit about iSCSI. I'm a huge iSCSI fan, and really truly believe in the technology. So we're going to spend a few minutes talking about some of the benefits of iSCSI, what is iSCSI, some of the performance considerations and best practices, things of that nature. And then we're going to dig into it a bit, talking about HA storage and the hypervisor, how they all fit. So what I want to do is bring you through a couple of sample Visio diagrams that show you sort of how this thing lays out in your environment, and sort of how, sort of under the covers, the high availability storage from StarWind is actually operating, which is a little different than you might think, considering that we're on a Windows platform. A lot of folks assume that we simply go ahead and create a Microsoft or a Windows cluster and cluster our service. We actually do it a little differently and provide a little bit more, or a faster scenario, or a less risky scenario when it comes to actually failing one of your storage nodes by leveraging PathIO. And so obviously we're gonna blow that up a bit and show you how that works, right into some real detail. The second half of the presentation is really, as the slide